church. For sure that's a Catholic church. As I can see, there's a Immaculate Conception. Oh, there's a lot of sale here in Japan now. It's been a long time. I never upload a video. We need to cross the street, go to the stairs, and go inside. So let's go. It's very hot. The last time it was raining here. Now it's a nice weather, sunny. Okay, let's go across the street. 12:30. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm here. I cross the street from there. Let's go here. The church. This is the church here in Sasebo, Japan. Just nearby the pier. So if you guys love to, if you're a religious, so they said if you see, if it's your first time visit in the church, you can make a wish and it will be granted. So this is the way going to the top. I brought some water here and I had my snacks. I had my snacks already because I feel I am hungry. Ooh. Oh, look at that. One more stairs. Oh wow, look at that. It's so beautiful. Wow. So amazing. Oh, this is a Catholic church. Look at this. There's a mom over there. Look at the flower. Oh, let's go here first. Look at the flower. We have this kind of flower in the Philippines. This one. And that one too. Wow. Okay guys, let's go pray. So beautiful. This is my dream. To have like this in my house. In front of my gate. I love this. Inshallah. One day. Inside. Oh, it's aircon. an arcade over there, guys. As you can see in my previous videos, I have a video there. Sasebo. Yeah, I walk around in the arcade. Now I don't want to go back there. I will go somewhere and explore another place. Oh my god, I dropped my phone. Huh? I dropped my hat. Real Plaza. Mabait yung mga Japanese, mga polite sila. May atras siya. That's the van. May atras siya. Kita niya nahulog akong hat. Butan kayo sila. Oh, I supposed to go on that side. Oh my god, I forgot. I don't know what's in there. It's okay, never mind. I need to go back now because I have training. And this is my last day here in Sasebo. I'm not coming back here. Ah, so sad. But I enjoy a lot. I enjoyed my trip here in Japan. So beautiful people, amazing, polite. Nothing can say negative about them. They're so polite people, willing to wait. If you ask something, if you have questions, they will research it for you. If they cannot speak English or they cannot understand your English, they will use translation for them to understand and they can help you. So amazing. And it's so hot here. The last time was really cloudy. So now I'm waiting. I will wait here to go back there. Toyota. Their cars are like multi-cab. Look at their cars. Very simple, huh? But can you imagine they are the manufacturer of the car, especially Toyota, Mitsubishi, Nissan. But their cars are very simple, like multi-cab. Very hot. So right now I'm under the tree, and later when it's about to go, I'll go run there across the street. Very, very hot. Like in Philippines. If it's very cold here, very cold also. It's crazy. There's a train station over there. Let's go in. So hot. So sorry for my camera is shaking because of I don't use my stabilizer to hustle. Better I use my hand. Hold it by my hand. So this is another place I explore in Sasebo, Japan. They say there's nothing to do here if you're on a cruise, but there's a lot. If you only like to explore, you will discover places like me. Only last cruise, I discovered that there's a bus going to book off. Some of my colleagues, they love to take taxi, but for me, I love to save. I don't like to spend too much money for taxi. Sorry, look at the baby. I feel so pretty with the baby. And the mama is so small. So today I'm here. at the terminal. In my bag, my snacks, doing life here.